Are builder upgrades worth it? The answer could save you ton of stress and thousands of dollars of saving. Let me share an example of my client, Timothy, a real example which happened several years ago. He wanted a huge house with a huge patio. He was looking for a place for his children to play, for his family to get together. Well, when we started seeing the houses, the extra large patio was exorbitantly high. He decided to do this on his own. Sure enough, he could manage it in 15 grand. Patio looked amazing. I also went to his home for a housewarming party and really was delighted seeing his dream patio in reality. It was being used by his family, friends, and his children. But a year later, disaster struck. The ceiling collapsed, destroying the patio furniture, everything underneath, the barbecue grill, the hammock, everything. He was totally devastated. It was a nightmare. As if that was not enough, Homeowners Association was knocking on his door, checking, making sure that it was built according to the city code and permit. A total nightmare. To fix it, it took him $25,000. Well, after watching that experience of his, it taught me a valuable lesson. If anybody who wants to buy a new construction, when they go to the design center, my advice to them is make up your mind, build a list of all the upgrades you are going to get it. Categorize them in two categories. Make it a structural upgrades and a cosmetic upgrades. If it is a structural upgrade, changes to the bedroom, bathroom, patio, anything which is attached to the exterior of building, go with the builder. They give you 10-year structure warranty. They build it with the city codes and permits. That peace of mind is worth its weight in gold. You definitely don't want to deal with collapsed ceiling and homeowners association drama. However, you can still personalize your home without breaking the bank. For the cosmetic upgrades. What are the cosmetic upgrades? Those can be done with the reputed company, general contractors, and they are way cheaper than the builders. That includes changing flooring, putting the high-end light fixtures, doing any extra cabinets, shelves, anything. Those are all cosmetic upgrades. I'm Sonal Shah and I've helped hundreds of my clients with these great tips before they go to design center to the builder. Please subscribe to the channel so you get notified with all these informative videos. I had one of my clients upgrade the entire house exactly as per the model home, which had accent wall at several places in the house, framed mirror in the bathroom, gorgeous paintings, all walkways with interesting wall decoration, wall detail. You can do the same by taking pictures and copy the interior design concept and personalize them to your choice of colors and stamp that as your own. You can also do the exterior upgrade, like adding gutters on all four sides of the house, building a larger landscape areas, installing sprinklers. Those are not attached to the structures and you can do that on your own with the help of reputed company. One important note for people who are using the lender. Make sure to run your dollar amount with the lender to make sure your loan stays approved. Upgrades can go in 10,000 to 100,000, correct? So make sure you stay approved. In conclusion, let the builder handle the structural stuff and have fun with cosmetic upgrades. Cosmetic upgrades can go in phases. It can keep your budget in balance so you can enjoy the life. You got this new dream home to enjoy it and love it without stress of being able to make the payment or not. Take it from me and Timothy, making smart choices, you will love your home for years to come. With that, let me know what upgrades are you planning. I would love to hear about it.